What is a tap reel size? And what is this weird remark about 75% appearing on most of the charts? Stay tuned and find out. Hello everybody, Erez here from the Machining Doctor website, and my task is to make your professional life easier. So without further ado, let's jump right into the matter.
In this video, we will cover the following topics. What is tap drill size? Thread depth expressed in percentage. How to calculate the tap drill sizes. And finally, our online calculator. So, what exactly is tap drill size? In simplest terms, it refers to the diameter of the drill bit that you use to create a hole that will eventually be tapped. It is easy to find this diameter by browsing the web or looking at the manufacturer's catalog. However, in many charts you will find a remark in the small print stating, for 75% thread. Other charts don't state this, but also probably refer to 75% since this is the industry standard. But what on earth does this 75% mean? The thread height is the distance between the crest and root of a thread. Or in other words, the major diameter minus the minor diameter. For a typical 60 degrees thread, it equals the square root of 3 divided by 2 times the pitch. In tapping, the thread height is expressed as a percentage of the maximum height. Hence, it equals the maximum height minus the actual height divided by the maximum height times 100. The major diameter comes from the tap geometry, and we have no control over it. The minor diameter comes from the pre-drilled hole, which we control with the tap drill size. So, why should we care about this? Increasing the drill size makes tapping easier and extends the tool life of the tap. However, the strength of the thread is reduced, and the minor diameter can get out of tolerance. The typical working range is 65 to 85%. As a manufacturer, as long as the thread passes inspection, you are better off with a larger tap drill size. Let's have a look at how to calculate it. When metric units are used, and the pitch is denoted in millimeters, the formula would be major diameter minus the thread depth in percentage times the pitch divided by 76.98. When inch units are used, and the pitch is denoted in TPI, the formula would be major diameter minus the thread depth in percentage divided by the TPI times 76.98. To make it clearer, I will show you an example of tapping a UNC 1/4-20 thread. The major diameter is 0.25 inches, and the pitch is 20 TPI. We want to go easy on our tapping tool, so we will opt for 80% depth. The required drill would be 0.25 minus 80 divided by 76.98 times 20, which gives us a drill diameter of 0.198 inches. Are you still confused? No worries. The Machining Doctor has got you covered with a friendly online calculator that will do it all for you. Select a thread. Drag the slider to the requested depth percentage, and the drill size will update automatically. The calculator supports both cutting and forming taps. I will share below a link to the calculator.
So that's it for today. I hope you found the video informative and helpful. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. See you on the next one. Bye.